Hello beautiful friends, welcome back again to my friend garden. This is my garden but in my friend place. But tonight is going to be very cold. I can't cover no plant because I hope this tree can protect them. But it's like I'm not planning to cover no plant. I don't really babysitting no plant. But so far, yes, this is what I have here. I hope they still alive. I will be happy to have them still alive. But yeah, those are the hydrangeas here. And I have those two new cutting I just put. What I did, I get inside some of the red begonia. No, I'm not gonna get in, but those one, I make those one from all my plants. Last year they was outside, but I didn't get them inside. And those are gingers. I didn't cover them. I don't remember cover them ever. I think this tree always protecting them. I hope they can stay alive. I wish them well. Because I went on Lowe's, I saw Lowe's was covering the plant. If you saw them covering the plant, that means something is really, really coming. Even I think I need to pull. There's a nice little branch plant in here. I'm not doing that. I'm not pulling nothing. Everything stay as they are. Finger crossed they survive. I'll be happy. And yes, I get inside what I can. Those bigger begonia, because I'm obsessed on begonia right now. Look at how beautiful is this begonia. Look at the back. Look at the back of that leaves. Yeah. I have the mother of that plant inside, but I leave those cutting outside for me to see if they can take this. Let me leave one. I leave too many because I love this. I think I should leave one. Let me get the rest. This one, I know they're not dying because I have them last year. But those, I don't know how much cold they can take. Let me get them in. I have to. Sorry. I changed my mind because those are the cutting I make. Because I bring the mother plant inside. If I bring the mother plant inside, why not bring the plant inside? All right, let me get them.